Hello and welcome to Happiness Online Math. We have an exponential math problem. Let us solve for the value of x. Solution. So we have 4 raised to the power x times 4 raised to the power x equals 64. Now we say let a equals 4 raised to the power x. So we have a times a equals 64. A times a will give us a squared. That is equal to 64. So now, if we return our 4x back, so what we have is 4x raised to the power 2 equals 64. Now we know a raised to the power m, n is the same thing as a raised to the power mn. So now, what we have here is 4 raised to the power 2x equals 64. Okay, so at this point, we can introduce log to both sides. So now we have log 4 raised to the power 2x equals log of 64. So if this comes over there, we have 2x log 4 equals 64 is the same thing as 4 times 4 times 4. Okay, so now we have 2x log 4 equals log of 4 plus log of 4 plus log of 4. So now let us divide both sides by log 4. And then we have all divided by log 4. Okay, so that cancels out. We have 2x equals, the right hand side we can represent as standalone fractions. Okay, so we have log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4 plus log 4 divided by log 4. And all these cancel out. We have 1, 1, 1. So now we have 2x is equal to 3. And now we divide both sides by 2. So our x is equal to 3 over 2. And that is our answer. Okay, so let's try a second method in solving this question. So we have 4 raised to the power x times 4 raised to the power x equals 64. We had earlier, we got 4 raised to the power 2x is equal to 64. Now, we know that 64 is the same thing as 4 raised to the power 3, right? So now we have 4 raised to the power 2x equals 4 raised to the power 3. We have the same base, so we can equate the exponents. So now we have that 2x is equal to 3. If we divide both sides by 2, our x is equal to 3 over 2. Just like what we got earlier as well. Now, let us go ahead and verify our answer to make sure that it is correct. So by plugging in the value of x into our equation. So our x is 3 over 2, right? So now we have 4 raised to the power 3 over 2 times 4 raised to the power 3 over 2 We're trying to see if that's going to be equal to 64. Now we know that 4 is 2 squared. Okay, so now we have 2 squared, 3 over 2, times 2 squared, raised to the power 3 over 2. Let's see if that's going to be equal to 64. So from here, 2 cancels 2, 2 cancels 2. Now we have 2 raised to the power 3 times 2 raised to the power 3. Let's see if it's going to be equal to 64. 2 raised to the power 3 is 2 times 2 times 2, which is equal to 8. So here we have 8 times 8. And 8 times 8 will give us 64. Therefore, we can see that our left-hand side is the same as our right-hand side. So our value of x, which is 3 over 2, using both methods, is the correct answer. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you subscribe. Thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you on the next video, and bye-bye.